Right, we've now bared the metal on the legs that come out of the base of our retaining wall RSJs. So, scaffold pole, funny wibbly wobbly pole, you'll see in a minute. Right, we've cleaned the cement off of the post. We now have clean areas to weld to on the post that comes out of there, so we'll ground to this, and then we'll positive to that on the arc welder, and we'll start getting the upright and stabilisers in. It was fun. Okay, there we have our reinforcement to the back of the poles that are going to hold all the planks and the concrete back. Nice and simple. I can see the plastic here.
Yeah, no, it's...
Let's go in, mind your foot.
Yeah. Right, we need to let it try and not talk about it.
Yeah. That's a lot of concrete just for that stupid edge.
Yeah. It really is.
That's ridiculous, isn't it?
Mom's out of trouble, gonna set the world on fire. Better get out of the way, or end up on a pyre.
Just managed to take that post off all the way around the gas pipe and leave the flat black bit holding the gas pipe in the wall.
Can't help a distance, all these sirens wave.
second decent bit of welding. Okay, so then we have our board stays, all three of those, and our cross pieces are in, top and bottom on both, and our wire mesh, which is our rebar mesh, is in, patched together, ready for supporting our concrete pour, which is now going to happen tomorrow afternoon. Right, this is our first layer, our first plank is in, wedged up behind our retainers, our plastic is up against and in between the posts and poles. It's all wedged up nice and tight, so everything is going to be clamped against those RSJs nice and tight. Takes all the twist out of the wood. And there, reinforcing on these cross pieces, which is going to get stuffed full of concrete in a minute now. Right, now around the ends, what we've done is what's that stuff called? Expanding foam. We've expanded foam behind the corners just to stop the slow mix from disappearing, and sealed up around the edges, made some blanks for the angles, and yeah, held that in with expanding foam. It's easy to chisel out afterwards, basically, it's not going to stay. But we've done the same down this end, and I've got a tensioner on it as well, in between the old wall and the new wall, just to make sure that's not going to go anywhere, because we're not sure if this will hold, so a bit of tension is always good against something solid. Same as the other end, in between a bit of concrete and this. So yeah, outside one's outwards, see down the other end, same again. Inside one either way, lock it in place. That's worked out really well. Right, he's just gluing these in, and basically there's a plug both ends. You may notice by the fact that he's picking the pig's nose that he's holding it up. You can get a finger in there. That's very difficult to do with the camera, and you might want to let that dry.
Last two I've done like that.
I'm blowing in a pig's nose.
Can you stack it on that?
You haven't ordered? Oh, we're not using this anymore? Yeah. Okay, this was the original idea. I had to get the pipe through the back.
Don't like his ideas.
No, don't like it. You don't like it! Anyway, so we're now doing peculiar pig's noses, and the other end is just a little block. So that end goes up against the outside. So it's the shuttering, yeah. So it literally bolts on like that, and then the pipe comes out of here, goes into the next one, pipe out here into the next one, and get some wire through, so we've got a little collection. Currently suffocating the pig. Gotta let it breathe at some point. Come on.
Things I won't ignore. I really think you need to go before I kick you out the door.
Okay, so you see here we're on a hill, and we're trying to fill a hill shape. So we have the right hand side filled up to the RSJ, or the I-beam, or whatever you want to call it, don't kill me. And this one we're just about to do, and then we've got another plank up. It's just going to do the rest of that one, I think, most of it anyway, to about there, and then a little tiny bit of the next one up there. Right, here we go. Are full. Alright, nearly there, a couple of inches down. Might leave it a couple of inches down because we've got a tear here to get around, so we'll leave that bit, but fill from here that way up to the I'm going to be trimming this one down. These are our fence post holders, 2 of which can go in now, 1 of which has to go Don't forget to sign your work if it's on the neighbour's side. I'm of course kidding, that will go in a minute. Quick walkthrough video, just as we've taken one wedge off of the middle one. The top wedge is off, but our concrete has set. So now this is that one wedge. Right, now we know there's going to be some crinkles from this. We're not too fussed because we're rendering the front, but today's task is just to, where we have a crinkle there, we've got a little bit of backwash from the troweling. So what I'd like to do is just scrape that off, so later on it doesn't become as hard as diamonds and impossible to remove. So wedge is out. I've got to say I do like the wedge look. You may notice these are one either side on each plank, and these are end on only, and that one's just got the one the opposite way, and that was just a tension pole. But yeah, they did their job. How cool is that? Awesome. Right, quick distance. Sorry about the wheelie bin. There's Piers, also taking pictures. The big reveal is today. Here we go. Morning, welcome back to our Assassin's. Big reveal day. Here we go. Customary usually to have the handles glued to the tool. So there you go, especially on a vice grip. This is it, the moment of truth. Plastic coming off. See the things I did, sold my soul and everything. I was to the lowest bid. Crawled into your poison dome, yet every single time you got into my mind, you got into my mind. But all I ever wanted was you. Okay. Here you see, this is the C section. So all of these sections are moulded in two. This one's a C section, that one's an I section, and the end one is another C section. So they're captivated entirely within these very large chunks of metal that go 2 feet into the ground, with the exception of the short one which only goes 18 inches, and there's another 18 inches of scaffold part that comes out on the floor, which is also set into concrete, hence these being welded onto it. And now we're going to try and bend those off and get them out of the way, and then we'll see the wall in all its glory. And there we have it. There's our 3 upstands, which we will save for another task, I think. Awesome. They worked a treat.